In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Reddit account on mobile, and this will work on both Android and iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is open the Reddit app and then tap on your profile picture at the top left. Then you want to scroll to settings, and this is an Android device, so it might look slightly different on an iOS device. So you tap on settings, so you want to scroll all the way down and tap help FAQ. And then you want to search for deactivate. Now it's going to bring up some search results. You tap on the second one where it says how do I deactivate my account. It's going to bring up an explanation. You want to tap on this link which is highlighted in blue, and then it's going to bring up this page, and you might have to log in again before you get to this page. But this is the deactivating page. So you can say why are you deactivating this account, which is optional. You want to type in your username and password again, so I'm just going to do that. Password and username is typed in again. You want to click on the confirmation tick box and then you click deactivate. Now I'm not sure if it's going to bring up this page for you, but once you've clicked that confirmation of the deactivation of your account, you will be logged out and your Reddit account will be deleted. So that is how you delete your Reddit account on mobile. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.